Hello everyone, welcome to Cody's Tech Support. Glad to have you on the channel. If you're a new member here, consider subscribing. If you're an existing member, I'm glad to have you back. So without further ado, let's get into this video. What I'm going to be talking about today is the Logitech C920 HD Pro. I recently just upgraded from the Logitech C270. It's about time I upgraded, but the main reason I upgraded was to give my son the other one for streaming. But when I did upgrade to this camera, I noticed that I was having trouble with the audio and the video lining up on Streamlabs OBS, which I've had this trouble with other webcams in the past, but what I had to do to fix this one was a little different. And I figured I would share it with you guys and it might help you. So what I did, guys, let me go over here and show you what I did. I went to the webcam settings and just make sure you got your webcam C920. In your resolution, don't try to use the 720 or 1080p. I know one video I watched, they were telling you to use the 1080p and it would stop the lag. For me, it did not. I had to leave it as default, which was a 2304 by 1536. And also, I make sure your audio source is from another source. Don't be using your Logitech's audio. It will not sound very well. And I would probably I would go into the configure settings, and anything that is auto I would turn off. I turned off all the auto settings, and if you want to make some adjustments, that's up to you. But yeah, that's what I would do, and hopefully this helps you guys. If it does, drop a like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and if it doesn't, let me know what's going on with you and I might be able to help you out. Alright, thanks guys, y'all have a good one.